to my channel. Today I'm going to do an insane pour. I'm just going to use up, I'll call it clearance, because I'm clearing out all my leftover paints here. I'm going to do it on a 61 by 38 centimeter canvas, and I just have lined up all these little cups with all kinds of different paint. Most of the colors I won't be able to tell you what they are, I think, but I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna do an open cup pour, and that's the idea. I wonder if I can use this one. It's been used, but it should be fine, I think. I hope. I'm gonna try it. This is just gonna, just trying this out. Just gonna use up all my paints. There's a mix of very bright colors here that I used for my Aurora Borealis swipe the other day. There's a lot of gold here that I used for a gold painting that failed. And I have some white, I have some blue, have more gold if needed. But yeah, let's just get started. How do we start? I don't even know. I have all this blue. I don't really like it as, don't know if it'll be good as a background color, because it would be, I would like to maybe have some negative space, but maybe not if I use this, because this is actually what I have the most of. I think I'm going to use this for the base coat and then see if it'll work with as a negative space color, but I seriously doubt it. So let's just get started. Just gonna put this on. I'm very excited. I'm actually recording this piece, or this pour, the day before I'm leaving for the FAB, the Fluid Art Boutique in Washington, DC. I'm leaving tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 1st of May. The Fluid Art Boutique starts on the 3rd. I decided to just go a little earlier so that I can get acclimated, used to the jet lag, even though jet lag is normally not so hard for me going west. It's worse going east, actually. Like I said, I have a lot of gold, and this gold I'm not too crazy about. I don't know how it dries, actually. Maybe actually it does dry with a sheen, but it doesn't look very sheeny in the cup, so good bit of that. And then we'll take this, I think this is quinacridone nickel hazel gold that I added a little white to in one of my pours recently. So let's just, oh, that looks thick. I think I want a little white with the nickel hazel there. And then this green one. I think I'm just gonna empty that one. Yep. Blue. And some of this very bright yellow. Some gold. also thick. I thought I checked the consistencies, but some of these seem pretty thick still. Oh well, we'll have to see. I think we need some white. And then we like the quinacridone, nickel as a gold, without anything mixed into it. I like, nah, that's too thick. I'm gonna just add a little water to that. Why do you want to come this way? I don't know. This might not come out good. I think I want to see how the nickel as a gold looks next to this one. Some more gold. Some of this green. Ooh, this one is scary. I really don't want you to come back here. Here goes. Whoop. It's gonna be very interesting. This doesn't look white, it looks gray. Less gold. Well, almost. It might be pearl white. I don't know. Still some more gold here. Let's try to go down here a little bit. Sorry you can't see this. But well, let's use it all up. And the last white, which still looks great to me. Okay, so there's some neat things happening here in the cut that you probably can't see. A lot of little cells. That's interesting. But yeah, I don't think that'll show anywhere. Or maybe, wait, yeah, it will. Whoa, there you go. That was cells. Now let's torch. And I think I'm gonna use a corner catcher. Maybe that blue will actually be nice as a negative space kind of thing. We'll see. I'll try to keep some down here in this corner. Or not. Yeah, it's rolling over the blue, so much for that. As a negative space thing, that won't happen. Okay. I'm sorry I won't be able to see this because the camera angle is not good. Maybe if I do it like this, you can at least see what I'm doing now. I really would like to keep those cells. So here comes the corner catcher. Turn over here. Okay, there goes those cells. Damn it. This is not gonna be good. Way too much gold, but I did have a lot of gold. So there's that. See, this all gold. Don't know if I want to actually tilt it more because I would want to go back this way, but then I'll get even more gold. Kind of love this little part. Looks like a bay. I think I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. See how it dries. Seems to be some cells popping up here, which I did not expect. Yeah, let's see how it dries. Should be dry tomorrow before I leave, but I'll try to get this edited and posted before I leave so that you can see it while I'm gone. But if not, then when I come back, I'll just get you down for a close-up. See, this part I really don't care for. It's very, well, it could be. It seems that the gold might be transparent, so the blue might show up under it. I don't know. Some, I guess, interesting details here. I don't know. This looks like it could be one that will have to be poured over again, but let's see how it ends up drying. I like these little blue cells that pop up. Hopefully there'll be more of those. If that happens, then it might be very different. See, I like that. But do I love the piece? No, I can't say I do. We'll just have to see how it dries. Bye.